Hi friends, welcome to Viktors Reality. Today I'm going to show you how to make your SteelSeries Arctis 1 wireless gaming headset or HyperX Cloud Alpha S headset or any headphone that you currently have about 10 times more comfortable. Let's begin. As you can see, I already installed on both headsets the headphone padding for the top of the head. As you can see, it makes everything much more comfortable. It's super comfy, it's fabric material, spandex material. It'll adjust to your head. It makes everything about 10 times more comfortable in my opinion, and especially the Arctis 1, which is already super light, it'll make it even lighter. The Cloud Alpha S literally feels like you have a cloud on top of your head, and that's what it makes the Arctis 1 wireless gaming headset feel like. It feels like you have your head on a cloud. As you can see, I already have it installed also on my M40X from Audio-Technica. Super soft. I've had this for 2 years. As you can see, still looks good as new. You just got to take care of it. And there's two ways of installing it. You can install it with a double-sided tape, or you can install it with Velcro, and I'm going to show you how I did it on the Arctis 1. All the items in this video will be in the links down below in case you want to check it out for yourself. If you want to add it to your headphones, I also put it on my VR headsets. I use it in a lot of things. They're so cheap that you could use it for a variety of things to try out. You know, get one, see if it works for your headphones, see if it works for your VR headset, and if it does work out, you can always buy more because it's so cheap. So this is what we're looking at. We're looking at the replacement headphone padding. As you can see, these are the Sennheiser brand replacement paddings that it says on the description. There's so many different ones. It's a fabric material, and there are also other ones that have leather, pleather. You know, you just got to pay more if you want a different kind or more expensive one. Right here, as you can see with the Cloud Alpha S, what I did was I used double-sided tape. Now, that's what I used, so I'm okay with it, but you might not want to use double-sided tape because what happens if you damage the padding? What happens if you want to, if you want to change it up, if you want to put a different kind of padding, meaning a leather one, or if you want to try a different fabric, spandexy material, maybe in the future they'll make memory foam, that you cannot replace as easy. You could also use Velcro, is what I'm going to use for today's video, so you can see, and I believe this is the best bet because you could change this out if you want a leather one, if you want a fabric one, if you want a memory foam, a cooling one, whatever they make in the future, you can always switch it out on the fly. Or if you just end up, using it up and you want a different feel, a different, more comfortable one, a newer one, easy to switch out. Let me show you how I did it. With the head pad, you just measure these little flaps. You can always cut off right here, but I just left for this video purposes so you can see it fits the head pad really good. You see where it's going to be on the headphone. You see that? So you just got to make sure that it would go evenly. You don't want too much on one side. Now the one I got right here is the thin profile, so be careful, it's really sticky. So let's get it on like this. And there you can see, this is the slim profile one. Again, this will all change once you put it on your head and use it more and more. Let me show you right here how it looks. Perfect. And then all you got to do is attach the other side to the back of the padding and make sure let the Velcro sit on the headphone for at least 10 minutes. Make sure you put it on properly, evenly, as you can see right there. If you need to cut off the sides, you can. I would say let this settle for 10 minutes just so it could stick onto it. If you try to remove this later on, it might rip the pleather, so do this of course at your own risk, but it makes it 10 times more comfortable in my opinion. These are going to be stiff when you get them from the factory, when you get them from, they're fresh, they're new. Do this, make it more comfortable. Compress it, I want to say 20-30 times. The little paddings, all the different little paddings. Do it just to make it and loosen it up. It's foam, so by doing this, you will loosen it up. If you put it on your head brand new, it'll be a little bit stiff. Just do this, you know, as much as you want. 10 minutes. It's not a one-time thing. And you will see how soft this will become. So let's wait 10 minutes and we'll see the finished product. And now for the finished product, as you can see, we used Velcro because you want to be able, in the future, if you want to replace this, you can just easily remove it and put it back on. I used industrial strength Velcro, but you can use any Velcro. We just need to make sure that it sticks onto the headphone itself. It will stick on and hold decent here. It's just you want it to stick to the headphone itself so it's not, coming off. But I'm telling you, it makes my headphone feel like you have a cloud. Like if you literally put your head on a cloud. This is the lightest headphone I've ever tried and used, and this mod, if you want to call it that, makes it super comfortable, more comfortable than it was already. And again, this is the Arctis one. I have it here also on my Audio-Technica M40X. As you can see, I've been using this about 2 years. Look how, after usage, it's about 2 years of usage. Not bad. And this one is really soft because I've been using it a lot, but makes this super comfortable. I also have it on my Cloud Alpha S headset, and as you can see, this is an amazing comfortable headset, and it makes it literally feel like I'm on a cloud when I put these on. As you can see, I did cut the tips on each side just because I didn't want it to touch the wires. But I'm telling you guys, this is an easy mod, easy fix to make your gaming headsets easily 10 times more comfortable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.